Hello class, today I am going to tell you about 6 types of interjections, as I did tell you about interjection in my pre-video. Now in this video I am going to tell you about 6 types of interjection. Now here I am going to write one by one. There's a 6 types of interjection. Number 1, interjection of greeting. Interjection of greeting. Interjection of greeting. Number 2, interjection of joy. Interjection of joy. Number 3, interjection of attention. Interjection of attention. Interjection of attention. Number 4, interjection of approval. Interjection of approval. Interjections of surprise. Interjection of surprise. So there's are 6 types of interjection. Interjection of greeting, interjection of joy, interjection of attention, interjection of approval, interjection of surprise, interjection of sorrow. Now I'm going to tell you about one by one what's the interjection of greeting. Okay, first I'm going to tell you about interjection of greeting. Interjection of greeting. These interjections express emotion of warmth to meet with someone. These interjection express emotion of warmth. Emotion of warmth with some emotion of warmth to meet with someone. To meet with someone. To meet with someone. For example, hey, hello. So these are called interjection of greeting when someone meet to one another. When someone meet. So these are interjection of greeting. Hey, hello. So these are called interjection of greeting. Now I am going to tell you about interjection of joy. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about interjection of joy. Interjection of joy. Okay. Interjection of joy. Good. Wow. Interjection of joy. Hurrah. Hurrah. Okay. And congratulations. Congrats or congratulations. So these are called interjections of joy. Okay. So feeling of excitement, interjection of joy. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about interjection of attention. Interjections of attention. Interjection of attention. Listen. If we say to someone, listen, hey, listen, look. So interjection of attention. Okay. Hush. So these are called interjection of attention. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you about interjections of approval. Interjection of approval. Approval. So what's the interjections of approval? Okay, if I will say bravo, bravo, well done. Okay, bravo, well done. So these are called interjections of approval. Brilliant, brilliant. So these are called interjections of approval. Okay, express approval agreement. Okay, no interjections of surprise. Here I'm going to write interjections of surprise. Interjection of surprise. What? Interjection of surprise. What? What a pleasant surprise. Oh, surprise. Okay. Wow. Okay. So these are called interjections of surprise instead of surprise. Okay. Interjection of sorrow. Now I'm going to tell you about interjection of sorrow. Emotion of sadness. Okay, interjection of sorrow means emotion of sadness. Alas, alas, ouch, 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 oops, oops. Okay, oops. Sorry, it was my fault. Ouch, it's hurting a lot. Okay, so interjection of sorrow. Okay. So these are 6 types of interjections. So we will use these word in these 6 types of interjection. Okay. So these are 6 types of interjections. So as I did tell you about 6 types of interjections: interjections of sorrow, interjections of approval, interjections of interjection of approval, interjection of joy, interjection of attention, interjection of surprise, interjection of greeting. Okay, 6 types of interjections. So interjection topic, interjections, part of speech.